essentially we build an oyster reef like you would kind of build a wall. All of the living oysters that are in the bay right now are getting ready to spawn. They're getting ready to produce those planktonic larvae. And those planktonic larvae will be looking for a place to attach. And this will be nice, fresh, clean, new substrate that they can attach to. We bag these shells up in these aquaculture mesh bags, and we put these shells back where nature intended them. So now we have all of the bags of oyster shells that we created that are going to be the building blocks of our new reef, and we're passing them down, and we're building a reef by putting the bags in the water in an area that needs to be restored. And then over time, as the oysters attach to those shells and as the critters start to live in that bag, you basically have this nucleus that the living oysters recruit to, and you have this veneer of living oysters that's attached to that bag of oyster shells.